Hi there. It's Professor Monte, and we're talking about direct variation. Okay, if y varies directly with x, or as directly as x, that means that y equals k times x for some positive constant k. And so notice what happens. If x increases, y increases. If x decreases, y decreases. Direct variation means they go in the same direction. Okay, so that's what we've got there. So let's look at an example. It says y varies directly as x, and y equals 30 when x equals 5. Find the variation equation, and then find y when x is 12. So we go here and we say y varies directly. As soon as you see y varies, just put y equals. Directly, that means we're going to multiply times whatever the variable is, in this case x. So y varies directly as x, y equals k times x, just like we said up there. The letters can change, but it's still going to be that formula, something times whatever the variable is. K is called the constant of variation, or the variation constant. Okay, now we can plug in some numbers. It said y equals 30 when k equals 5. When x equals 5, rather. So it's k times 5. Well, I want to solve that for k to find my variation constant. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So I get k equals 6. And so my formula becomes y equals 6x. That's my variation equation. Now I can use that equation to answer the questions. It says, okay, find y when x is 12. So we can just say, oh, okay, when x equals 12, and I just plug it in. Y is going to be 6 times 12, or y equals 72. And that's my answer. The direct variation says, oh, I've got a variation with multiplication. Notice when x increased from 5 to 12, y increased from, 30 to 72. Okay, they're going in the same direction. X increases, y increases. Had x decreased, y would decrease. But we've got our formula, and we've got our answer to the problem, the specific problem. We can answer for any value of x they give us, because now we have the equation or the formula.